All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim, Rakah Kwadash, which is the true name of the Heavenly Father and His only begotten Son, are two great kings, the gods that the King James Bible speaks of, which again, the true name of the Heavenly Father is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, who the world in ignorance calls Christ. True name is Yahweh Shai. Second of all, I want to give double honors to my elders and apostles of Great Millstone, Elder Tahar and on down, that rule and teach well. And third of all, I want to give a peace and safety to the hopeful elect out there, the brothers that push this truth, the truth of the King James Bible, and all truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the globe. All right, so I just want to do a short in transit lesson, or however long the spirit of Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai allows it to go. And I want to name the video, AI is needed for the upcoming digital financial system. All right, and Lord wills, brothers can see on the screen, I just did a simple Google search for how will AI help the financial system. All right, and this is what the AI overview gave me, which I'm gonna go ahead and play this. And also I have an article that I want to go into, so I'm gonna go ahead and play this real quick.
Tasks, analyzes data, and improves fraud detection, risk management, and compliance, while also offering personalized financial advice. For financial advice, consult a professional.
All right, so I'm gonna play it again.
AI is transforming the financial system by boosting efficiency, security, and personalization. It automates tasks.
All right, so it says efficiency, meaning quicker transactions, which would definitely be needed when the chip comes full force online. All right, security, that's one of the so-called perks that they're going to say comes with you taking it. You know, you'll have more security. You won't have to worry about losing your debit card. You won't have to worry about credit card fraud. You won't have to worry about or any identity theft. All right. So you know, these are some of the perks that they're gonna say comes with you taking it. All right.
This data and improves fraud detection, risk management, and compliance, while also offering personalized financial advice. For financial advice, consult a professional.
All right, so I'm gonna play it one more time so I can.
AI is transforming the financial system by boosting efficiency, security, and personalization. It automates tasks, analyzes data, and improves fraud detection, risk management, and compliance, while also offering personalized financial advice. For financial advice, consult a professional.
All right, so again, it's efficiency, security, all right, and, you know, protection, basically. And again, those are, you know, some of the perks they're going to, again, tell you comes with if you take it. All right, smoother transactions, quicker transactions, all right, more secure, you being more secure, because identity theft is still running rapid, or still at a very high rate. All right, which people, I'm pretty sure there's going to be people out there that can still, you know, hack your chip or whatever. But you know, again, those are some of the perks they're going to say that's going to come with it. It's efficiency, again, smoother transactions, quicker transactions, guaranteed security, which it won't be. All right, and so on and so forth. All right, so this AI thing is used for many things, but one of the main things Esau wants to use it for is for the financial system, especially the upcoming digital financial system. All right, and like I said, I have an article. I'm gonna pause it real quick. All right, brothers. I don't know what happened to the article. Nah, it disappeared or whatever. And I had another one, but that wasn't really what didn't drive home the point, you know. But I just did another Google search for will AI help the digital money system. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and play this real quick.
Yes, artificial intelligence, AI, is already playing a pivotal role in strengthening and evolving the digital money system by enhancing efficiency, security, and user experience. AI acts as an intelligent layer that analyzes massive datasets to automate complex financial tasks, moving beyond traditional rule-based automation. Here is how AI is expected to help the digital money system. 1. Enhanced fraud detection and security. 1. Real-time monitoring. AI models analyze transaction patterns in real time, reducing response times to fraud by up to 99%. 2. Anomalous activity detection. AI identifies unusual spending patterns or overseas transactions, blocking suspicious activity before funds leave an account. And 3,
Right, and that also with surveillance. you know, you're buying something that you're supposed to be buying or doing something you ain't supposed to be doing, they can just cut it off. All right, but again, they'll sell the, what's protection and all that. Really, it's just more surveillance. All right, just tougher surveillance. I mean, it's your money. You should be able to do whatever you want with your money, right? But they'll deem with this chip, they'll deem or decide what's approvable transactions. All right, and that ain't there's not ones that are not approvable transactions. You know, complete control. Like when Alex Jones and Aaron Russo had to sit down. All right, that's what Alex Jones said. Complete control. That's what they seek with this with the mark of the beast, with this microchip. All right, because again, in this society, you know, like we always say, in this society, you know, if you can control, rather somebody can buy and sell, you have complete control over their life in this society, which is what Esau wants. I'm gonna play the rest of it.
Crypto security. AI tools scan blockchain networks to
Crypto, which is digital money, which is all a part of the which is digital money again, which they allowing. All right, like people still saying, you know, these cryptocurrencies are are an alternative from the banks. And I always say, you know, there have been people like, you know, Gaddafi, Saddam Hussein, who challenged Esau's money system. All right, and where are they at now? They're pushing up daisies. All right, so anything that they didn't want or they didn't approve, the bankers didn't approve, eventually it'll be done away with or deemed not money. All right, so again, if they can kill dictators, so-called dictators that are leaders of countries, all right, that have armies, if they can get rid of them, kill them for trying to get from up under their financial system, you know, why would you think that this cryptocurrency is still being allowed to be used for transactions and things like that? All right, the bankers are against that. No, they're with that because, again, it's nothing but digital money. All right, so it's all a part of the system, man. Through the spirit of Bobby Bashim Shah, I've done, you know, a few videos showing that guy, one of the first guys that invested in Bitcoin, showing his microchip that he ultimately had to get. All right, or he didn't have to get it, but he got it. All right, for his Bitcoin under the skin or whatever he called it. All right, and that was a long time ago. At least like that happened. He got that before I even came into truth. All right, so it had to be like 12. It's been a while ago, maybe like 13, 14 years ago. All right, so yeah, this whole cryptocurrency thing. All right, the bankers are allowing it because, again, it's nothing but digital money, and in order for you to use those cryptocurrencies, you're gonna have to have the microchip. All right, so I'm gonna play the rest of it.
To spot phishing, wallet compromises, and scams in real time, reducing false positives in compliance. 2. Improved efficiency and transaction speed. 1. Streamlined operations. AI reduces manual errors in data processing and document verification, accelerating processes like loan approval from days to minutes. 2. Reduced costs by automating middle office tasks like trade reconciliation.
See, again, those are all the perks they'll say that come with it. Oh, you applying for a loan, instead of having to come in here and do all this paperwork, all your information to be on your chip or whatever, and we'll send you a message or whatever. All right, or you'll know you got the loan when you check your chip status or whatever, your account or whatever. All right, so again, they're gonna push it as it being a convenience and a lot of perks to it. Security, you know, I'm pretty sure they're gonna sweeten the pot. You know, people that are in major debt. A lot of people are in credit card debt or student loan debt or you know, some type of financial debt. I'm pretty sure, you know, they'll sweeten the pot and say, yeah, well, if you take it, we'll just wipe your debt clean. Everything will be all good. All right.
Reconciliation and regulatory reporting, AI can lower operational costs. And 3. Optimized payments. AI enables faster, more cost-effective cross-border payments by optimizing routing through different networks. 3. Hyper-personalization and customer experience. Conversational AI. Advanced chatbots and virtual assistants, like Bank of America's Erica, provide 24/7, personalized, and conversational support, handling complex queries that previously required humans. Personalized finance. AI analyzes spending behavior to offer tailored investment advice, budgeting tools, and product recommendations.
Right, control, complete control. Financial, but they'll use smooth words, financial advice. All right. Oh no, you don't have enough points on your chip to get that. Or no, your carbon footprint or whatever is too high. Or whatever. This is all about control. All right. And this AI will assist them in that. All right. If you don't do what they say, they'll cut your C-hip off. If you're really being a nuisance to them, they'll send a AI robot to your house. All right, or drones to your house. All right.
Recommendations.
That's the world that is coming very soon. That's how the world is going to be very soon.
4. Advanced risk assessment and lending. Alternative credit scoring. AI evaluates creditworthiness using alternative data, such as transaction history and utility payments, allowing for more inclusive loan approvals for the underbanked. Predictive analytics. AI helps financial institutions calculate risk with greater accuracy, predicting potential defaults by identifying patterns in vast datasets. 5. Convergence with blockchain and digital assets. Smart contracts. AI enhances the functionality of blockchain-based smart contracts, enabling them to adjust terms based on real-time conditions. Agentic payments. AI agents are beginning to transact autonomously using stablecoins and blockchain, facilitating machine-to-machine payments. 6. Regulatory compliance, RegTech. Automating AML KYC. AI-driven tools streamline Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, checks, enhancing cross-border compliance while reducing costs.
Right, so, Lord Will, that made the point. Again, slack it for the absence of the article, but yeah, this whole AI thing, this increasing of AI thing, working day and night to increase this AI thing is going to help aid the digital financial system. Which again, the end game of that is the microchip, having everybody embedded with that microchip. All right. And also things like, in the name of Palantir, ran by Peter Thiel, and those devils. All right. So, yeah, man, this pushing of the AI system will aid the mark of the beast. All right, smoother transactions, quicker transactions. All right. Again, they'll say it'll help detect fraud and all of that, which really is all about control. All right. Again, you don't do what they say, or you do something that they don't like, they just switch your chip off. All right. And again, if you're really being, like I said, if you're really being a nuisance to them, they'll just send a robot over to your house. All right, or a drone to your house. All right, and get rid of you, or arrest you, or whatever. All right, so yeah, we definitely in them times. We seeing the push of this AI like crazy over the last couple of years, and one of the rhyme and reasons why is to aid this. It's needed to aid the mark. All right, the mark of the beast system. It's Revelation chapter 13, verse 17, and then verse 16, and he calls all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their forehead, and no man might buy or sell, say he that hath the mark of the name of the beast or the number of his name. Which again, the mark of the beast is, the whole world should know by now, is the microchip technology. All right, and this AI and Palantir and all the surveillance, these self-checkout registers. The system is in place already. All right, it's in place. All right, now we just need, that event that shakes things up, which could be this war. It could be come by way of this war. All right, to bring about the mandatory chipping of the masses of the people. All right. So, and again, this AI thing will aid the mark of the beast, which again is the microchip technology. So with that, I pray this lesson was edifying. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashim, Yahweh Shai, Bahashim, Rakah Kwadash. Double honors again to my elders and apostles of Great Millstone, and peace and safety to you brothers that push this truth and sincerity. With that, I want to say shalom.